Hello guys, how are y'all? I hope you all are doing well. Even I'm fine, and here I'm at Viviana Mall. So this mall is celebrating the spring festival. So spring has come and the flowers are completely in bloom right now. So they have made the most of it and they have kept so many flowers on display, and it's looking so beautiful. This entire place was looking beautiful. Look at the fountains over here. It is so beautiful and blue and gushing. So I normally stay at home because of COVID, but once in a while I come out if something like this is in place, and I really love coming out during such time, and I would suggest all of you to do the same because staying at home is a little depressing. But yeah, you should stay most of the time at home. But once in a while coming out and looking around such places is really a treat for your eyes. So when certain things like this come close to your house, then I think I should call myself lucky, because this place is really close to my house and I just had to drive around 10 minutes to come to this place and see this lovely flower arrangement and display. So even you all take a look. So today I'll be reviewing some restaurants which is for casual dining. So I'll be reviewing two restaurants, that is Pizza Express and the Irish House. So you keep watching this video and see what all I have eaten and check out the ambience of both these places and enjoy yourself, so that you'll get an idea about how these two restaurants are and about the ambience and the food served over there. If you have to go over here anytime, you will know what to expect from there. So let's take a look around over here first before we step in. So now I've stepped in, and inside the mall too they have kept these beautiful flowery plants and it's looking amazing, isn't it? So here I am already at Pizza Express. So we had to wait for some time for our turn. So I was just walking around this place. So nearby, so I was taking a look at the movies which were going on today, but I did not watch any movie, not right now at least. So here I am, the temperature is being checked and I am sitting at my seat, and we have to select from our own mobile after downloading their menu from the QR code which they give us, and so that we don't have to touch many menu cards, so that's why. And look at this guy, he is really making amazing pizzas. I don't know whether I'll be able to do this, the thing that he is doing right now. So it's really amazing to see them work. So they have a live kitchen, so we get to see each and everything that they do over here. So right in front of us they prepare our pizzas, and we can even see them working on our pizzas. Isn't that amazing? So here I am already given the order, but I'm waiting for my. So they are cleaning the place very thoroughly, as you can see it. Pizza is made fresh over here as soon as you give your order. So all the food that you eat over here is prepared freshly after you order. So isn't that so good? So here I have my first drink, that is ginger ale, which I had ordered. So this was a good drink. So here you even get hard drinks served, so you can order for hard drinks too over here. But this was a mocktail which I had ordered, and it was really amazing. It gives a good feeling to your throat because of the ginger in it, and I really recommend it to you. So here is my pizza. This is a Romano pizza, which is chicken meatball bolognese. So Romano means thin crust pizza, and I had ordered for this, and it was really amazing. The leaves on top is the rocket leaves, and here I'm sprinkling the garlic oil and the chili oil, which gives an amazing taste to the pizza. So make it a point to sprinkle it on your pizza before eating it. So every bite was a treat. It was so delicious. The pizza was really delicious. The food was really fresh. The leaves, the rocket leaves were so fresh and so amazing. I really loved eating them. And so look at this. In minutes and seconds the food is over. So here I ordered for a dessert, and this is banoffee pie. So this is made out of bananas, banana slices, caramel, as well as some powdered biscuits are at the base, and sprinkled with chocolate on the top. So shavings of chocolate. So here I rate Pizza Express for taste. I would rate 5 out of 5. Ambience is 3.5 out of 5. Service is 4 out of 5, and value for money is 3 out of 5 because it's a little costly, I feel so.
Subscribe to my channel and stay connected.
Now I am at the Irish House, and this too is at the Viviana Mall in Thane itself. So look at the ambience. The ambience is really amazing over here. This entire spot is theirs. Look at the ambience inside. It's looking so beautiful. And look at me, I am looking so happy with all this ambience, and the music they play over here is really good, but it is too loud. So I feel it should not be that loud. So here I am with my menu. So over here too you get hard drinks too along with the soft drinks. So you can order for hard drinks as well as you get coffee too along with your food. So whatever is your choice, you can order it, whether it's coffee or hard drinks or soft drinks. It's your pick, you know. So here I ordered for shallot bombs. So this is those small baby onions are filled with cheese, and it is fried with batter, and it was so amazing. And this is virgin mojito. So I really love mojito a lot, and these two went along really well together. It was a amazing treat, and these I recommend these shallots to you because it really bursts in your mouth, and it's really I would really say that they kept a very beautiful name, shallot bombs, and I loved it. That was something new for me. And now I come to the mains, and that is chicken dinner which I had ordered. So various different cheese are stuffed inside the chicken, and it is roasted along with some gravy, and the gravy was amazing to taste, and it is served along with some french fries, and it was really filling and amazing to taste, guys. I really recommend this too, and I really enjoyed eating this myself. So I would really say that you all can ask for this dish. It's really good. So the cost over here for a couple would be around 2000 rupees. So that is without drinks, only for the food. And if you are ordering hard drinks, then it will be more than that. So for taste it will be 5 out of 5, ambience would be 5 out of 5, service would be 4.5 out of 5, and value for money is 3 out of 5 because I feel it is really costly and the food which is served, the quantity is a little lesser, so that's why. So here I'm walking back to my car, and I would suggest all of you to step out once in a while, and during that time have the best time of your life, because life is short and we need to do a lot of things. We need to enjoy ourselves. We cannot just be sitting in the house and only working. We have to do certain things, but do everything with safety and step out of the house, experience the beauty of life, and life is great, guys. Enjoy it. So until we meet next time, tada!
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.